maganda lang camera. XH2 50 to 140 mm. Ito yung pinaka-telepoto ng. So I will doing some shoot. Ayan, meron tayong subject na nakikita. Nag-print sila. Okay. Na 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 na. Mukhang may photoshoot sila. Let's check it. Mga student ata sila. They're doing some photoshoot. Excuse me. Commercial shoot yan, sir.
Hindi na.
Ano siya?
Ano lang siya, content lang na.
Content. Pwede ako makipicture lang din. Okay lang? Kahit dito lang ako. Hindi, dito lang ako malayo lang. Behind the scene niya lang. Okay lang.
Thank you.
Alright. We will be doing a photo shoot. Enjoying tayo. Ayan, oh. Patiently waiting.
Every click, a story grows. In every frame, your true self shows. Light and shadows, bars and real. Capture moments that we feel. It's more than just a photograph. It's every tear and every laugh. Behind the scenes, a deeper view. A piece of me, a piece of you. And every time I teach the way, another dream begins to play.